Hi dears, hope you all are well. We go on our next topic, force. Observe the figures. Pulling a cart, pushing a car. When an object is pushed or pulled, a force is being applied on it. That means a push or pull on an object is force. Is the force all about a push and a pull? No, never. Observe the figures. When we kick a ball, its speed increases. When we press a sponge, its shape changed. When we hit the ball, its direction changes. When we batting, speed and direction of ball changes. When we pushing a wall, the wall has a tendency to move. Yes, force is that which changes or tends to change the shape, size, volume, state of rest or motion of a body, speed of motion and direction of motion. Unit of force is named as Newton in recognition of Sir Isaac Newton's second law of motion. There are different types of forces. Muscular force. It is the force applied using parts of the body like arms or legs. Magnetic force. Force applied by a magnet is the magnetic force. Electrostatic force. Any charged object can exert the electrostatic force upon other objects, both charged and uncharged objects. Gravitational force. It is the force of attraction between particles of matter. Mechanical force. Force applied by using machines is called mechanical force. Frictional force. It is a resistive force caused by two surfaces sliding across each other. These different forces are classified into contact force and non-contact force. Contact force is the force applied by the contact between objects. Examples are muscular force, frictional force, mechanical force. But the force applied on an object without contact is the non-contact force. Examples: gravitational force, electrostatic force, and magnetic force. Observe the situations. Pushing a trolley. It is a contact force because it is muscular force. A coconut falling from a coconut tree. It is non-contact force because it is gravitational force. Drawing water from a well. It is a muscular force, so it is contact force. A ball coming to rest after being rolled on a level ground. It is frictional force, so it is contact force. A magnet attracting a nail. It is magnetic force, so it is non-contact. A plastic scale rubbed on hair attracts pieces of paper. It is electrostatic force, so it is also non-contact force.